So next up on our hospital tour is the labour ward. So this is one of our birthing rooms. We have bed, any equipment we might need, CTG machines, really important. We'll monitor the baby's heart rate throughout the whole labour. So does anyone have any questions?
Can you move using that?
Well, you have this much cord and the machine sort of moves, so say you have quite a lot of mobility. Isn't it wonderful, guys? So, let's move on.
Is there any way you can change the room? It feels really medical and it feels like I can't have a normal birth. Like I can't move around because I'm attached to the CTG machine and I can't go into the bar. Yeah.
Well, I can try to make some changes to the room itself, and I'll talk to management about changing the birth environment so it's more comfortable for you.
Alright. Can I bring my own thing?
Yeah, sure. We encourage women to bring their own personal items to make the environment more comfortable and more home-like for them.
Alright, how about pain relief? Because I see like that IV pole that you mentioned before.
Well, we're trying to encourage and promote normal birth, so we'll try to not use any pharmacological pain relief.
2,000 years later.
I'll be giving you a tour of our new and improved birthing room. So we have some equipment laid out, there's water immersion available, and we've also moved the bed more to the side so it's not centralized anymore. We've hidden the medical equipment out of sight. We've also had music available so you can play your own calming music or sounds. And there's also aromatherapy you can try during labour as well. It's really helpful. But most importantly, it's really important that you guys try to personalise your room. You can bring anything you want to when you come into labour, except for candles, that's a fire hazard. So we really encourage you to bring everything from home, make it comfortable, so you can have a positive birth experience.
That looks good.